My dear friend, I welcome you to speaknowenglish.com, and I have seen in my career of teaching throughout for the last 20 to 25 years, and I have been trained thousands of people to become a fluent speaker of English. This English is really one of the important part of your career. Whatever your qualification is with you, but if you are not fluent in English, wherever you go, the people will diminish you. The people will underestimate you, whatever your qualification is there. Either you are 10th, 12th, graduations, masters, BTech, MTech, MBA. But the moment you will not able to communicate in English, especially in our India, then you will be underestimated that you have not done the good ways of your qualifications. But as a trainer, as a teacher, as a professor, this is my real responsibility to make you clear that there is no any connections between the language and brilliancy. The language is different and brilliancy is different. There are numbers of people, those who speak their mother tongue, and they are brilliant in their mother tongue. Since being as an Indian, in our India, there are multiple languages are there. We have been divided into the different segment of the different regional languages. And these all are regional languages adopted by us as a mother tongue. But whenever we come out from our day-to-day life, whenever you come out from your state, from your native to the next level, whenever you are moving from your comfort zone to other zone, and if you are not good in the communications, the people will not recognize you being as a qualified guy. For me, it is one of the best opportunity to give you a good training with the very minimum fees, where you should not feel that because of this you could not become a fluent speaker of English. Since I have started my journey of teaching for English in Mumbai in 1998. Throughout 1998 to 2003, I have been trained different places. Along with that, I was teaching other subject also. But being as a trainer, being as a teacher, I have a passion, I had a passion, and definitely I will not leave this teaching of English speaking, because I have seen there are crores of people in India, those who are struggling because of their communications. See, my dear old friends, this communication is the real success of your life. If you have completed your qualification, whatever technology you have been adopted, either you are related through your computer background or whatever your background is there. As of now, a lot of things people are saying, if you know AI, if you know chat GPT, you don't have any problem. But that is secondary. Even through the AI, through the chat GPT, you will have to communicate. You will have to give them the prompt. You will have to give them the command. But that command will be only till your process of thinking and understanding. But apart from that, wherever you will go, you will have to speak your real truth in the real communication that you cannot change. Whenever you will go for the interview, the people will ask you, the group discussion, the people will ask you the communication skills. Your communication skills should be effective. It should be up to the mark of your qualification. Your qualification and your communication should match to the level of your expectations. Whenever you will go to the company will ask you to fulfill their requirement. In the time of that, they will ask you the real values of your communications. Friends, this is really one of the good moment of your life that you have been done your good qualification. But still, if you feel somewhere somehow your English is not good, you are not good in the communications, so forever in your life you will be repenting, and this repent will be always as a repent, because English will not come in your career till you will not try to learn it. It will not come automated way. You will have to do little effort. And I'm giving you one of the best guarantee ever in your life. If you'll be with us, if you'll be with me in 30 days, within a 30 days, you can become a fluent speaker of English. Within the 30 days, I have been launched the crash course, and this crash course will give you the one of the entire part of your communications. No need to remember the grammar. It's not necessary that grammar should remember. There are multiple languages in the world, even as our mother tongue is not English, but this English is a mother tongue in out of India. For USA, UK, Canada, their mother tongue is English. So they haven't learned grammar. They are speaking from their birth. So as a native speaker, they don't want to learn a grammar. Similarly, same thing happening with our Hindi. We are not learning Hindi grammar. We are not learning Vyakaran to become a fluent speaker of Hindi. But if you feel to become a fluent speaker of English, since English is not our mother tongue, English is one of the foreign languages, but it is attached with your career. So the bigger answer is yes, you will have to learn little grammar. But again, I am telling you, the learning grammar is not solution of your communications. The people are saying, think in your mother tongue, translate and speak. This is not a proper method. To become a fluent speaker of English, you will have to think in English, you will have to speak in English. Because the English sentences and the Hindi sentences both have a different structure of making translations. Where the verb comes, where the objective comes, where the subject comes, the same thing happening in the Hindi, the karta, karm, kriya. All three things are together diagonally crossing each other languages. If I say, I go to market, so here you will understand it. But if I am saying I am going to market, and same thing if you will speak in Hindi, the Hindi translation would be different. मैं ऐसा नहीं बना सकता हूँ कि I going to market. Here I am going to market. So little bit grammatical part should be attached with your tongue. Am, is, are, was, were, can, could, may, might, should, would, should have, would have. These all are the basic helping verbs. These all are the basic auxiliaries which should be fitted in your tongue. Once your tongue will get twisted, once you will be twisted with the helping verbs, once you will be twisted with the am, is, are, was, were, can, could, may, might, should, would, should have, would have, present, past, future, without thinking, without memorizing the grammar, without translating your tongue, if you can speak English, that is called the fluent speaking of your any languages. As you speak mother tongue, similarly you can speak English. So as an institute, this Speak Now English will give you the complete package of your communication skills in English. In this complete package, you will get all things are together. Even English speaking course is there, CV preparation is there, how you can prepare your biodata, how you can go for the interview, how you can prepare your interview, how you can write the good email, how you can go for the good interview, how you can crack your interview, how you can succeed your interview. So this is the complete solutions of your communication skills, and this would be really one of the good achievement for your career to become a fluent speaker of English. So I wish you all the best to become a fluent in English. Thank you very much.